Want to know how to triple your artwork sales with this one tip? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is dedicated to helping creative entrepreneurs sell their products online. So if you're an artist or someone making cool stuff and you're looking to sell your products online, you're in the right place. I'm the founder of Apart Studio, which has generated over $900,000 in sales and 5,000 orders since we launched under 2 years ago. And today I'm going to give you one tip which could triple your artwork sales overnight. And this one tip has generated us 2.4 million impressions for free in the last 2 years. And that is simply getting on Pinterest. If you are an artist or you sell visual work, get your stuff on Pinterest. And this is for a few reasons. The first reason is how the Pinterest algorithm works is slightly different to other social medias. But any pins anyone likes, comments on, saves, downloads, etc., it will then flood their homepage with more styles of that image. So your photos don't necessarily need to hit, they need to be similar to products on there so they get showcased when other pins get saved, download, or liked. So you just need to be in the right community with your posts. Another reason why I think Pinterest is underrated is 1/3 of the users on there earn over $100,000 a year, which means if your artwork, which most tend to be, are priced higher than other products on the market, this is your prime audience with higher earning people. And this is why I think it is unbeatable for emerging artists and people starting out with selling their artwork, because it is so easy to get started on there. At Apart Studio, we post one pin to our Pinterest each week, which generates us 500,000 impressions a month onto our page, which then of course has people following through onto our website, potentially purchasing our products. So that is my reasons why I think Pinterest is underrated and you need to be on there if you're selling artwork. If you're wanting a free brand audit, let me know in the comments and I'll run through my thoughts and feelings about your brand and let you know what could be improved. Until next time, peace out.